Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 2 math. You can find you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab, scroll down to grade 2 and then click on view all lessons. There you can find the list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter addition one digit. So let's just start with, and the lessons we're going to cover today are addition one digit, ways to make a number sums to 10, add one digit numbers, addition with pictures sums to 20. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Let's just first lesson. Okay, here I am on grade 2 math. The chapter we are on right now is addition one digit. Let's just start with the first lesson, that is addition one digit. So basically to learn how do we add the numbers that are one digit numbers, right? The first one is you have two boxes. In first one you have only one B, and in the second one you have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 flies. You need to count them all together, the total flies. You have to see how much total flies in both the groups, right? So that means you need to count them all together. So the first one is 8, and when you count the second one, 8 plus 1 is 9. So together they are 9. That means there are 9 flies in both groups. Got it? So the correct option is 9. Okay, let's just start with the practice questions. So basically, you are given the things in the two groups. You need to count them together, right? Okay, the next one is you have two groups. The first group has two cameras and the second one has four. You need to count them all together. So how do you count? That is 4, 5, 6. So all together there are 6 cameras. The correct option is 6. Got it? The correct option is 6. Okay, the next one is add. You have 6 toys in one group and 3 toys in second group. You need to count them all together. So how do you count? That is 6. Count them together, right? Start with 6 and count until the smaller number 6, 7, 8, 9. The correct option is 9. Together there are 9 toys. Add 2 plus 4. So which is the correct option? The correct option is 6. 4, 5, 6. Option number 2 is the correct option. The next one is 5 plus 0, which is the correct option. Five plus 0 is 5, right? The correct option is 5. Nine plus 1 equals. Yes, the correct option is 10. 9 plus 1 equals 10. Add 9 plus 1, which is the correct option. The correct option is 8 plus 1 equals 9. So altogether they are 9. Three plus 1 equals. The correct option is 4. Option number 1 is the correct option. Very good. The next one is 8 plus 0, which is the correct option. The correct option is 8 plus 0 equals 8, right? That means when you add 0 to any number, the number stays the same. So when adding 0, the number stays the same. 8 plus 0 is 8. Got it? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next lesson. Ways to make a number sums to 10. Let's just start with the next lesson. Okay, the first one is how do you make 8? So that means you are given the examples. You have to see, you are given four of the options. You have to see which of the option makes 8. Let's just start with the test questions. For here, you are not given with the options. So let's just start with the test questions, which is not a way to make 2. So that means you need to select the option that is not a way to make 2, right? So start with the first option. 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 plus 0 is 2 and 1 plus 1 is 2. So these two options makes 2. They are the one that makes 2 and this is the one which is not a way to make 2. So option number 1 is the correct option, right? The correct option is option number 1. Option 1 is the correct option. How do you make 4? Which is the correct option? You have to select the one that makes 4. Yes, that is option number 1. 3 plus 1 makes 1 is the correct option. How do you make 10? Which is the correct option? The correct option is 7 plus 3. Option number 1 is the correct option. Which is not a way to make 1. So you have to select the one that is not a way to make 1. You don't have to make 1. So which is the correct option? Yes, option number 3 is the correct option. 1 plus 1 is, that is the option that is not a way to make 1. Got it? Which is not a way to make 9. Which is the correct option? That is, yes, the second one, 9 plus 1. That's the only option that doesn't makes 9, right? How do you make 8, which is the correct option? Yes, that is the last one. 6 plus 2 is the correct option. That's the only option that makes 8. How do you make 4, which is the correct option? Yes, that's the second one. 4 plus 0 equals 4. Option number 2 is the correct option. Which is not a way to make 9. So, which is the correct option? Not a way to make 9. You don't have to make 9, right? So, the correct option is yes, option number 3. 6 plus 4 is the correct option. How do you make 10? So, which is the correct option? The correct option is 8 plus 2. Option number 2 is the correct option. That's the one that makes 10, right? Which is not a way to make 7. So, which is the correct option? Which is not a way to make 7. So, which is the correct option? Not a way to make 7, right? So, that is option number 2. 5 plus 0 is the one that doesn't make 7, right? The correct option is 5 plus 0. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is The next lesson is add one digit numbers. Let's just start with the next lesson. Okay, so you have to add 2 plus 8 equals. Eight plus 2 is 10. Let's just start with the test questions. Add 2 plus 3 equals. 8 plus 2 is 10. The correct option is 2 plus 3 equals. Yes, 5 it is. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Option number 2 is the correct option. 9 plus 9 equals. The correct option is 18, right? Option number 3 is the correct option. 9 plus 9 is 18. The next one is 7 plus 7, which is the correct option. The correct option is 7 plus 7 equals 14. Option number 1 is the correct option. Five plus 1 equals. Five plus 1 equals. Yes, 6, it is option number 1 is the correct option. Eight plus 0 equals, yes, 8, it is the correct option is 8. 4 plus 4 equals, yes, 8, it is the correct option is 8. 3 plus 0 equals, yes, 3, it is adding 0. When you add 0, the number stays the same, right? So 3 plus 0 is 3. The correct option is 3. Seven plus 9 equals, yes, 16. It is the correct option is 16. The next one is 6 plus 2. So which is the correct option? The correct option is 6 plus 2 is 8. The correct option is 8. Very good. Add 3 plus 5 equals, hello, everyone, can you hear me? Yes, 8 it is. Can you hear me properly? The next one is 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5 is, 13. It is the correct option is 13. 8 plus 5 is 8 plus 5 is 13. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is addition with pictures sums up to 20. Okay, you have to add. That's exactly the first lesson we did today. You have to add 8 plus 7 equal. You need to count them together, right? So you have to start with 8 and count up to 7. So 8, here you have 9, 10, 11, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So the correct option is 15. Together they are 15, right? Let's just start with the test questions. Basically, you are given the things into two groups. You need to count them together. Okay, add 4 plus 3, which is the correct option. So start with 4 and yes, count the up to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the correct option is 7. It is 7 is the correct option. Add 7 plus 10. So which is the correct option? So start with the bigger number and count until the second one. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So the correct option is the correct option is 17 option number. Yes, 1 is the correct option. Add 4 plus 1. So 4 plus 1 is yes, the correct option is 5. Option number 2 is the correct option. The next one is 8 plus 9. So which is the correct option? Seventeen. It is the correct option is 17. One plus zero. Which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 7 plus 1. Eight. It is the correct option is 8. Nine plus 9. Which is the correct option? Eighteen. It is. Yes, the correct option is option number 2. 18. It is very good. The next one is 1 plus 6. Which is the correct option? The next one is 6 plus 1. Which is the correct option? Yes, 7. It is the correct option is 7. 0 plus 2. Which is the correct option? Yes, 2 plus 0 is 2. The correct option is 2. 8 plus 1, which is the correct option? 8 plus 1 is 9. It is the correct option is 9. 2 plus 0, which is the correct option? The correct option is 2. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 2 math. The chapter we were working on is add one digit numbers, and the lessons we have covered today are addition one digit, ways to make a number sums to 10, add one digit numbers, addition with pictures sums to 20. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we did today. That is your homework until next session. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday 5 to 9, or either you can join me in the interactive session that would be daily from 4 to 5 and from 9 to 10. So if you have any questions related to the lessons we have just finished, you can please ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and concerns if you have any. Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.